कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट। प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या।
50%, we have 40 assemblies and we are getting ready on all the 40 seats. I don't know party कौन सा हमें 50 seat देगा, but definitely we are getting ready on all the 40 assembly seat with 40 women leaders who can contest, who can win, and we are getting ready them. We have a meeting immediately after this, a state executive meeting. We are going to ask who want to contest. If the leader who are sitting here, and we are start going around Goa also, whoever the women come to us and they want to contest, definitely will propose their names. Against we have a reservation, sir. We have already a reservation, and we have a 33% women reservation. Definitely we'll try for at least 50%. अभी कल उनका ओथ हुआ है, अभी वो पहला मीटिंग ले रही है इस कमरे में। आफ्टर बिकमिंग अ प्रेसिडेंट, लेट हर गो आउट, let her visit all the 40 blocks, 40 assembly, let her meet the women leaders who want to come forward, join our organization, want to contest election. Definitely will come with a clear picture to you, with a name and number also.